Hello, welcome to our channel. On today's video I will show you how you can create an account on OkCupid. So it's one of the popular dating website where you can find a perfect match for you. So in order to create an account, let's get started. So this is the homepage of OkCupid. If you're not familiar with domain, so what you need to do is okcupid.com. Enter this on your web browser and the homepage will open. And on the center here is the black button which join OkCupid, which has the text on it, join OkCupid. So click on that. Alright, so first, we do have option like even we can sign up using our Facebook account. So if you don't need any more hassle, you can just click that and you can continue with your profile name. Alright, so that's the one way to create an account. The another way is like you can always put your email and you can get started. So I'm just putting my dummy email and I'm just trying to show you guys what it is like. Alright, so I will take this email. Alright, so then they're asking for the password as well. It's necessary to have password on every account creation. So once you're done with that, you can just sign up and there is the captcha at the end. Alright, so they're asking me to enter the palm trace, so I'll do that. So once you're done with that, and you have to click on this sign up option. So the account is already created and it's saying, so let's start with the basic. Alright, then next, hit next, about you and everything. Okay, let me repeat that. So this is just a dummy account that I created right now. Alright, so this is the home page of OkCupid. Since I have already created an account, so they're saying so. So this is the home page of OkCupid, and you have to click on this join OkCupid, and you can create account using Facebook, or you can manually create it, just what I did. For you, how you can log into your OkCupid account. So on the new tab, type okcupid.com. So it's one of the most popular dating website, and you can find your perfect match over here. Alright, you can see a couple images are rotating, and in order to sign in, which means you already have an account, you have already created an account. So on the right, click this sign in option. Okay, then put your email over here and then enter your password. Also make sure that you entered them both correctly. Okay, and in case if you forget your password, you can always go ahead with this option. And once you entered these both email address and password, then simply click on this sign in option. Okay, so if you are new to OkCupid and if you don't have an account, you can always sign in using your Facebook as well. So yeah, that's another way to sign into your OkCupid account. So yeah, for email and password, then hit sign in. And if you are new with OkCupid, you can always sign in with your Facebook account. So that's easy to sign in with OkCupid account. So this is the home page. On the top right is the sign in. Thank you so much for watching.